What's up, people? DevSage here, and in this video we'll be going over enums in TypeScript. So what is an enum? Enum is short for enumeration. An enum is a special data type that allows you to define a group or a set of predefined constants. For example, if I wanted to represent the 4 suits of a deck of playing cards, I can define an enum with the name of suit, and inside of it have a list of all of the different suits of a playing card deck, like club, diamond, heart, and spade. So this is how you define an enum. You have the enum keyword, and then you have the name of your enum, and then inside of the curly braces, a list of all of your predefined constants. So why are enums useful? Well, enums allow us to have named constants. Using named constants allows us, the programmers, to better document our intent of what we want our program to do. So let's say we have a function print suit, and this function is going to be simple. It's simply going to take in a suit and print it out. But let's say we're not going to use enums for this. So how do we do this? We have to figure out a way to represent each suit. So I suppose what we could do is we could use integers. We could say 0 represents clubs, 1s for diamonds, 2s hearts, and 3 spade. So let's do that. So let's pass in our suit, which is going to be of type number, and now we have to get like a switch statement going to figure out what suit this is. So let's say switch suit. In case 0, we're going to console log club. Break. Case 1, console log diamond. Break. Case 2, console log heart. Break. In case 3, console log spade. Break. Okay, and now if we wanted to test this out, we could say print suit 0, and then we run it over here and we get club. Or if we wanted to pass in, say, 3, we'd run this again and we get spade. So this works, but this function could be a lot more clear about what it's trying to do. Look, it takes in any old number, and we could pass in 99 or -6, and our program would run, but it would break. And yeah, we could go through the cases and see that, yeah, case 0 is club, case 1 is diamond, case 2 is heart, but this is just an example program. Theoretically, these cases could actually be dozens of lines long, and you might have to go and search through these case statements one by one to actually remember which suits represent which case. So this is an alright solution, but we could do a lot better. Let's try this again, but this time using enums. So we're going to delete this, and we're going to let's delete the switch. So if we wanted to try this using enums, we need to swap this number type out and make suit a type of suit here. So let's switch suit. So let's say case suit dot club, then console log club. Break. Case suit dot diamond, console log diamond. Break. case suit.heart console log heart break case suit dot spade console log spade break. Okay, this is a little bit better. Let's try to call it print suit suit dot club. Let's run it. Club. If we wanted to pass in suit dot heart, we get heart. So this is a lot better. It's a lot more clear what each case represents. By using enums, we can define a set of predefined named constants that we can use to represent real world things and make our program a lot clearer. So enums by default represent real numbers, starting from 0 and working their way up from there. So really, suit.club here, this actually translates to, if you look at the IntelliSense here, look, it translates to 0. Diamond represents 1, hearts 2, and spades 3. So if you don't give any of your enums values, it's going to be default 0, and then it's going to increment 1 from there, and it's going to keep going and going and going. We could define our own values for these. So I could give club a value of, I don't know, 4. And if I were to leave these other ones blank, diamond would look at the enum before it, club, and increment its value by 1. So diamond would have a value of 5, heart would be 6, and spade would be 7. But I mean, I could really just give diamond any value that I wanted as well. Diamond could be 100, heart can be 3, spade can be 12. So you could give any value, any integer value here to your enums, and you could actually even also have string enums. So if you wanted to, instead of 4 here, I wanted to give this a value of club, I could do that. Diamond could be diamond, heart could be heart, and spade could be spade. So that is a little bit about enums. Hope you got a better understanding of it. If you like this video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you want more content. Peace.